News just coming in. It's a stunning case of apathy from the state of Odisha as forest fire rages in Simlipal Reserve. Odisha ministers enjoy a game of cricket and feast just kilometers away from the spot. The Home Minister of the state, Disaster Minister and Forest Fire Management are in fact chilling while Simlipal Forest Reserve continues to burn for over 2 weeks now. So it's a forest fire essentially, and these are the ministers who just couldn't be bothered. Prema continues to be with us. Prema, what's really going on there and how can these ministers be held accountable?
As far as the fire is concerned, Sneha, this fire has been raging for 2 weeks and it all started because of dry leaves that were there in the forest, and that started the fire. It does happen every year is what we are told, but this is something that should have been brought under control, or efforts should have been made by the administration to bring it under control. And the question being raised is, why were they enjoying a cricket tournament when you're talking about ministers like the disaster management minister, the sports minister, even the forest minister, who are supposed to be there looking at dousing the fire, but instead they were enjoying a game of cricket. So that is a question being raised at the apathy of the administration when it comes to this fire. As far as this wildlife sanctuary is concerned, it's spread around 2,300 acres is what we are told, and this is also one of the reasons could be because of dry leaves that the fire started raging, or another reason could be because of the mahua flowers from which country liquor is made. But all in all, it is about the state administration and the apathy that has been questioned. Back to you, Sneha.
That's right. And Prema, what about the ministers there who know of the situation? You said it's a perennial sort of an event that happens, but how to bring things under control, and the apathy there on full display.
The question is that why was nothing being done? If this is something that happens every year, then is there a system in place to prevent something like this from happening, or to take stock of a situation as quick as possible when a fire of this nature breaks out? But why were the ministers not looking at this in a more serious manner, and 2 weeks after that chose to instead be part of a cricket tournament? And that clearly shows the apathy of the state administration, and saying that these ministers who should actually be more concerned when it comes to wildlife, when it comes to preserving this wildlife sanctuary and also the fire, dousing the fire, they should have done more. Back to you, Sneha.
That's right, Prema. Thanks for getting us those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.